Hey everyone, Hasher from Hashtag and welcome back to my channel. According to the latest report, Sony Xperia 1.1 will be the successor of the Xperia 1 and it will come with the Snapdragon 865 SoC. Previously it was known as the Xperia 2, which will be the official on February 24th at Mobile World Congress 2020. Sony Xperia 1.1 specs leaks has been suggesting the phone will support 5G, making it is the first phone with a 4K display to support the next generation technology. But according to no report, the smartphone comes with a penta camera setup. Said to spot a 12 megapixel sensor, a 64 megapixel sensor, a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and a 2 megapixel time of flight depth sensor above a periscope or OIS lens of uncertain resolution. Currently Sony IMX555 is the most likely to main sensor in Sony Xperia 1.1. Sony Xperia 1.1 will adopt a same 6.6-inch OLED screen with a dual front-facing speaker. This also includes a 21:9 aspect ratio. The smartphone supports with a 4K HDR high-resolution display technology. The phone will use a glossy build complete with a metallic frame, also powered by Snapdragon 865 chipset with a X55 5G modem, which also includes a old-fashioned 3.5mm headphone jack in these two flagships. That's going to be a piece of good news and will be welcomed by the lots of users, and also priced is expected to be $900. That's all for today guys, so let me know your thoughts on Sony Xperia in the comment box. I will see you all tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more updates about the smartphones, and also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Thanks for watching this small video. I'm Ashkar from Hashtag.